Hi, I'm Bas Kluijtmans, and this year I'm working on the aerodynamics within DroneTeam Twente. In a few words, my responsibility is to design our drone such that it can get into the air and that it can stay there. This means creating a design that generates lift and is able to fly stably. Currently, we do this using open source software developed by NASA called OpenVSP. This software is great in the early stages of creating the basic geometries of your design and also performing some quick analysis on them to find out about its flight characteristics. When the initial design is done and maybe you've done a first test flight already, the focus shifts from making something that flies to something that flies well and efficiently. For this we use more advanced CFD software like StarCCM for detailed analysis. What I enjoy about working on aerodynamics is that you play a very important role, especially in the early stages of designing your new drone. This means that you have a lot of influence on the overall image of the drone in looks as well as how it behaves in the sky. With aerodynamics, form and function go hand in hand, since the form defines the function. For instance, the shape of a wing defines how much lift it will generate and how that lift is distributed. If you manage to make a drone that flies well and looks awesome while doing so, that is just great.